Have you ever wondered how to create a high-quality cinematic horror trailer just like a Silent Hill game using powerful AI agents in just a few clicks? In today's video, I'm going to walk you through Flova AI step by step to show you how to generate a terrifying, atmospheric video from scratch. Before we dive in, if you love discovering cutting-edge AI tools, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Desire, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. This is the homepage of Flova AI, which I'm going to use to build my video today. When you sign up on this site, you initially receive 300 free credits, keys, which is more than enough to create a short video. I'll click on Sign Up right here. This pop-up window opens up, allowing you to sign in using your personal Gmail or any other email address. I'll go ahead and log in with my Gmail. Over here, you can see a bunch of videos created by other creators that showcase the real power of this platform. These are top-tier, high-quality videos that give you a great feel for what this tool can do. Let me open one or two of these videos so we can take a look together. I highly recommend checking these out. It does an incredible job. There's even a long-form video generated entirely on this platform that looks gorgeous. Let me open one of the videos so we can watch it together.
What is that?
This is a horror video built completely with Flova AI. Now, I want us to create our own horror video that feels like a cinematic game trailer similar to Silent Hill. Before typing the prompt, this section offers skills that guide you through video creation. It's a key tool designed to help you easily achieve the specific topic you want. I'll click on More Skills here, and this page opens up for us. There are plenty of topics here that, depending on our project's goal and theme, we can select to guide our generation, such as promotional videos, anime, cinematic scenes, music videos, or even pixel art. There's a wide variety of topics you can preview before using them. I'd like us to look at one of the skills I tested earlier to see how it works, classic 3D J-Horror Folklore Style. I'll click on it, and this box opens up. It gives a brief description. We just click on Use Skill, and it gets added to our prompt box. Now, we need to enter our prompt. I used AI tools like ChatGPT to craft my prompt. All you need to do is feed the theme and skill topic to the AI, and it'll write a detailed prompt for you. You can write it yourself too, but in my opinion, using a precise prompt gives you much better results. I've added my prompt right here. Now let's look at the options. With this option, you can upload your own ready-made script, voice, or image, but I want the platform to generate everything for us. When you click on Model, you can choose your models for video, image, and music. In the Image tab, I'll select GPT Image 2. In the Video tab, I'll go with Seedance 2. Under the Music tab, there are two choices, Suno and Mureka, and I'll choose Mureka. In the Audio section, there are various tools available, and I'll use ElevenLabs. All the models we selected are listed right below, and you can even type them out directly to let the agent know what tools you want to use. In this section, you can also select the skill, where I've already chosen Classic 3D J-Horror Folklore Style. In the Asset Library section, everything you've previously uploaded or generated is stored so you can use them as reference. Finally, after adjusting all the settings, we click on Generate. This brings us to the main agent page. The agent begins thinking and processing our request. First, it considers which tools and assets to use. It generates an initial brief that outlines the workflow for us. After a moment, a prompt box pops up asking a few questions. Since my theme involves a girl fleeing through a drenched forest, it asks about the nature of the threat or pursuit. I select the second option, add one dominant stalker, so there's one towering scary creature along with surrounding zombies. You can even type custom instructions in the Other field if you want. Then I click Send, and the agent processes my request. After a short while, it opens another prompt box to guide us step by step. Here, it asks about the villain's design, and I select option 1 to maintain that atmospheric Japanese forest and temple horror vibe. I hit Send, and the agent starts thinking and crafting the storyboard. Once generated, we review the storyboard on the left panel. If it matches our vision and goal, we select Approve the storyboard and click Send. Now, the agent analyzes everything and starts building the elements and characters. In a short time, it generates the characters for us. Then, another question box pops up regarding other elements. From the options, I choose Rain-Soaked Ghostly Pursuers to match our original theme. I click Send, and the agent starts thinking again to generate my media assets. It has created my assets here as the main female protagonist of our story. It generates the main villain and the primary environment right at the start. At any stage, if you don't like an image, you can simply click Regenerate to rebuild it from scratch. I'll wait for it to generate the remaining elements. Here, it generates the ghosts, which look fantastic and really capture that eerie atmosphere. After reviewing all elements and confirming everything looks great, it asks for final confirmation regarding the full setup. I just type Confirm and hit Send. Now, based on our prompt details and references, it begins generating the actual scenes. I had requested 5 scenes right from the start. It built the scenes for us. Let's review them together. Here, scene 2 feels a bit repetitive, and I want to tweak the camera angle. All we need to do is enter our request in the prompt box, asking it to change the camera perspective for scene 2. It re-renders scene 2 and builds the new shot for us. Let's watch it together. I think this scene is much better because the camera angle is lower and positioned right behind the girl. To finalize, we type Confirm, and after a short wait, it generates the scene's music score. The music is ready. Let's take a listen together. Sounds good. To complete our video project, the agent automatically starts stitching and assembling all the slides together. It generated the video for us. Now let's watch the final video together. It created an absolute masterpiece for us. I personally love how it turned out. In this timeline, you can rearrange scenes, trim them, or add and delete any section you want. Or, if there's a specific part of the video you dislike, you can regenerate it and place it back in the sequence. Finally, we click on Export Video in the top right corner, and the video export process begins. In just a short time, the video is ready to download. Simply click Download to save it to your system. Returning to the home page, you can browse other creators' videos. Compared to mine, some of their projects are even more advanced and clearly had a lot of time put into them. Let me open one video here so we can check it out together. I really like this one. Here, all you have to do is select a video and click Add to My Skills to add it to your own skills library.
You ask me what is love, gazing at.
By clicking View Creation Process, you can step into the creator's workspace to see their exact workflow, learn from their setup, and apply those techniques to your own projects. It acts as a great learning environment to help you produce better content. I highly recommend checking out these community videos first to see the full potential of this platform for yourself, and then dive in to build your own short video. As you can see, creating cinematic, Story-driven videos using AI agent platforms like Flova AI has become insanely smooth and accessible. I strongly encourage you to sign up on Flova AI, use those 300 free credits, and start building your own creative scenes today. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to Desire for more cutting-edge AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.